In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some common tasks with Google and Udemy. We'll go through these steps together, making the process seamless and straightforward. Whether you're a seasoned Googler or new to these platforms, this guide will help you with all your questions. First, let's start by heading over to Udemy. Now, Udemy is a popular platform for online courses on a wide range of subjects. It's an excellent resource for anyone looking to learn new skills or enhance existing ones. To begin, fire up your web browser and in the address bar, type www.google.com. This will take you to Google's homepage, which serves as a gateway to finding just about anything online, including your way to Udemy. Once you're on Google, you'll want to enter Udemy into the search bar and hit enter. Google will present you with several results, but the one you're interested in should be right at the top. Click on the Udemy link to head over to the site directly. You may already have it bookmarked, but if not, this is how you get there. Now that you're on Udemy, perhaps you're wondering how you might go about changing the currency for your account. Maybe you've moved to a different country, or you're just curious how it can be done. Here's the trick, and a bit of a caveat. As of now, Udemy doesn't allow users to change the currency of their existing accounts. This might seem a bit inconvenient, but don't worry, there's a workaround. The best solution here is to create a new account that is specifically set to the location associated with your desired currency. When you create a new account, make sure it is linked to that new location by setting the appropriate region or country during the account creation process. By doing this, Udemy should automatically display courses in the currency of your chosen location. This might mean that you'll need to juggle between two accounts if you want to keep your existing records, or if you're starting anew, it could be just the change you need. So remember, navigating through Udemy and tailoring your experience starts with understanding these little tricks. While it might not be as seamless as one would hope, following these steps can make your experience on the platform as smooth as possible. Thank you for joining me in this video today. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Like and subscribe for more content that'll help you make the most of your online learning and browsing experiences. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the future, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning.